Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, and I even tend to talk about skin concerns. And this particular video, we're going to be talking about sunburn. If you're someone that has struggled or is still struggling with sunburn, you would notice that that is so difficult to treat. But in this very video, I'm going to be breaking down whatever that you need to know. I'm going to be telling you the products that you need to use, and I'm going to be telling you how to go about this so that you would have a radiant and a glowy skin. If this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch, just sit back and let's dive into the video. So the very first thing I want to tell you is that sunburn can be treated, but you have to wear a garment of patience. If you're not patient enough, you will not be able to get rid of your sunburn. So without wasting your time, because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm just going to go ahead to tell you the products that you need to get if you are looking forward to get rid of your sunburn. So in the very first 1 month of you starting this treatment, because this treatment is going to take at least 2 to 3 months, so the very first month you are just going to be doing what is called locking in moisture and repairing your broken skin barrier. The reason why you have sun damage or sunburn on your skin is because your skin barrier has been broken by the UV rays that comes from the sun. And for you to restore your skin barrier to be on track, to be on check before you now start the treatment proper, I'm not saying that this particular face does not treat sunburn. This face actually treats sunburn, but this face will target moisturizing your skin and also hydrating your skin, then repairing your broken skin barrier. Like I said, once your skin barrier is broken, you are going to have sunburn because your skin is already exposed to the harmful UV rays and thereby causing your skin to be damaged. That's that redness or the black patch that you are seeing on your face. Also, for you to repair your skin barrier and make your skin barrier to be on check, you're going to be needing a hydrating cleanser or a cleanser that contains ceramides and oats. It would help to wash your skin and also lock in moisture and also help to repair your skin barrier. For this particular step, I'll be recommending the Face Fact product. Okay, you can get the Face Fact hydrating cleanser. The one I have here is foaming cleanser, but I decided to show you what it looks like. This particular cleanser is from Face Fact and it has ceramide, it has niacinamide, and it also has hyaluronic acid, and all this would help to lock in moisture. If you cannot lay your hands on the Face Fact hydrating cleanser, you can get the simple moisturizing cleanser. Okay, I've run out of mine. That is the reason why I'm not showing you on this very video. These two cleansers are gentle and they will not strip your skin of physical oil. Rather, they will help to fix your skin barrier and also help to lock in moisture as much as you can, okay, because your skin needs moisture. This particular cleanser contains oats, okay, and also ceramide, and ceramide helps to fix our skin barrier and keep our skin barrier on check. In fact, in this particular routine, you are going to be using a lot of products that contains ceramide. Okay, I'm just giving you the expo ahead. So once you are done cleansing your face with your Face Fact hydrating cleanser or your simple moisturizing cleanser, the next thing you're going to be needing would be a toner that would help to lock in moisture on your skin. This particular step is actually optional, but I would highly recommend if you want to achieve a faster result. And for that, I'll be recommending this particular one from Tony Moly Wonder Toner. Okay, this is Tony Moly Ceramide Toner, and this contains ceramide. Like, it contains ceramide that would help to do what? Repair your skin barrier. It would help to fix your skin barrier and also help to hydrate your skin. This toner is so hydrating, and it can also serve as that barrier locking product. Okay, it helps to lock in all the moisture that you are supposed to get. As you can see from the consistency, it is creamy, it is not thick, but it is so rich to the skin. It would help to fix your skin barrier, and it would also help to, make your skin to be soft, hydrated, and moisturized. After the toner, you're going to be needing a serum, because serums penetrate into the skin faster than any skincare products that you are using. It penetrates faster than your wash and also your toner. And for serums, I'm going to recommend the particular one from Face Fact again. This is Face Fact Ceramide Serum. Okay, and this serum is lightweight. It contains ceramide. Like I said, this routine is built to restore your skin barrier and also help you to lock in moisture. This particular serum is lightweight and it does the job. It helps to repair your broken skin barrier. Okay, and this serum is compulsory in this particular routine. Even if you don't want to get the toner, you must get this serum. This serum is highly compulsory, not optional, because it will penetrate deep into your skin and help to restore your skin barrier and also help to lock in moisture on the surface of your skin. After your serums, you are going to be needing a moisturizer. Not just any moisturizer, but a moisturizer that is targeted for those that have sunburn. And for that, I will recommend this aloe vera gel, okay? Aloe vera gel is known for its soothing properties. It is known for its calming properties that would help to get rid of your sunburn. I have had people testify that aloe vera gel helped them to clear out their sunburn. So it works, okay? This particular aloe vera gel is super effective and it is suitable for all skin types, whether you are dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, any kind of skin type that you have. This particular moisturizer would be perfect for you. Aloe vera has a lot of good ingredients that helps to target sunburn and just clears it up. In fact, I would just recommend that you get it and then tell me your testimony in the comment section. This particular aloe vera gel is 99% soothing, okay, and it contains good ingredients that will help to penetrate deep into your skin, lock in moisture, hydrate your skin, and most importantly, get rid of your sunburn. So the last skincare product that you're going to be needing in this first 1 month, okay, would be you getting sunscreen, because the reason why your skin is damaged is because your skin got damaged from the sun. And if you protect your skin from being damaged, okay, it will no longer be what? Damaged. And even while you are treating, you still need to keep your skin protected, and for that you're going to be needing a good sunscreen. And what I have here with me is the Bio UV, okay, watery essence. This particular Bio UV contains 50 SPF, okay, of PA of 4+++, okay. The plus is raised to power 4. It is so good. It is not thick, it is lightweight, and it helps to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays, okay. But if you cannot lay your hands on this, you can get the Skin Aqua. That one is also very good. So now you are done with the first 1 month of using this product. Now you are supposed to start the treatment proper. But even while you are treating, sis, you are still supposed to be doing your basic routine, which is this ones that I just gave to you. So in the second month, you are going to be introducing actives into your routine. These actives would help to get rid of the dark patches or the red patches on your face because of the powerful ingredients that they contain. So for the serum that you're going to be getting that would help you to now get rid of the dark spots proper would be the ordinary alpha arbutin. This particular one right here, this particular one contains alpha arbutin of 2% and HA. It is 30 ml. It is going to last for you. And I would say that once you want to get rid of your sunburn, do not even think about money, okay? Because the main thing you're supposed to be going for are products that would work for you, not you looking for cheap products that will not work for you. Maybe looking for all these lightening creams, face creams that you see online, lightening face serums, lightening this and lightening that. Please try and get healthy products that are very good, the ones like the ones I just recommended in this video. This particular serum, okay, contains 2% purified alpha arbutin and high hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid would help to do what? Lock in moisture onto your skin, and the alpha arbutin will target the sunburn, target the dark patch on your face, and gradually clear it up. Like, this serum is a magic in a bottle. There is no how you can use this serum and your hyperpigmentation or your sunburn will still be visible on your face. But if you cannot afford the ordinary alpha arbutin, you can get the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Serum or Dr. Ate Vitamin C Serum. But these particular vitamin C serums are for those skin types that are not acne prone. If you are acne prone, please stick to this ordinary alpha arbutin. But if you know that your skin is good when you apply vitamin C, your skin does not break out, your skin is not acne prone, then you should get the vitamin C serums that I recommended. Remember that I did not say that you should get the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Serum or Pime Vitamin C Serum. In this particular routine, you are going to be needing powerful and effective products that would help to do what? Get rid of this sunburn that we're talking about. And also remember that these actives are supposed to come into your routine on the second month. The first month is for you to do what? Lock in moisture, hydrate your skin, and also fix your skin barrier. Then on the second month, you can now introduce your actives gradually. And these actives, I will advise that you use them at night, okay? Use them at night. Use them every night, okay? Then in the morning, you will now use your face fact ceramide serum. Okay, so that is the way you're going to introduce this active into your routine, and you can use them every day. Okay, you can use the alpha arbutin every day, and you can also use the vitamin C serum that you are going to be getting for maybe the Advanced or the Dr. Ate. You can use them every day, but only at night. Apply a few drops on your face when you are done with your toner. That is, if you have your toner in your routine, then you can go ahead to apply it, and then apply your moisturizer, and you are good to go. So there you have it, my loves. This particular routine is created and detailed for those that are struggling with what? Sunburn. That tip I want to drop in this video before we wrap it up would be that you are supposed to be reapplying your sunscreens. Okay, I have taught you guys on how to reapply your sunscreen, but if you want me to do another video on that, you can just tell me, and I will recommend sunscreens that you can get, okay, and how to apply your sunscreen the right way. Reapplying your sunscreen would help to make your skin to be protected from the harmful UV ray, so that this routine would work for you. I bet you, if you follow this routine, in 3 months time your sunburn will be a story of the old. If you have watched particular points of the video and you love this video, you love what I just talked about in this video, and you're going to be trying out these products that I just talked about, please leave a comment in the comment section, like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. It helps me to grow. Leave your notification bell on so that you'll be the very person to get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And until next time, my loves, get rid of your sunburn today, achieve that glowy skin, because it is about to be oblate season. And bye.